Hello everybody, I'm Jan from Nettie J's Crafts and welcome to my series of videos aimed to teach you the very basics of crochet and of how to get started. So you've got your hook, you've got your ball of yarn. What we need to do now is attach the yarn onto your hook, and we do that using something called a slip knot. So a slip knot is often the first bit of yarn twiddling that you will do to get it onto your hook. And I'll show you that in a little bit more detail. Let's start by looking at the different parts of the wool. So you've got your ball here. So if you go towards the end, this is the tail of the wool, this end piece, and we call this part of the wool that's attached to the ball the working end of the yarn. So to tie a slip knot, we're going to take this tail end of the yarn and maybe 5 to 10 centimetres up. We're going to wrap it around your pointer finger. So just wrap that around like that, makes a cross on the top. If you hold that with your thumb just to keep that cross in place, you'll see that's there. We're going to then take that wool off your finger whilst keeping the cross where it should be, and we're going to put the working end of the yarn up through that hole. So you just simply pull that through, and then we have a slip knot there on our yarn. So I can then put that on my crochet hook, and if I pull the working end of the yarn, not too tight, but you can see that knot then goes up there. So let's do that again, but faster and with a different ball of wool. So we're going to form a loop around, make a cross, pull it off your finger and pull it through. There we go, slip knot. If you found this video useful, please hit like. If you want to join me on the journey to learn more macrame and crochet, then hit subscribe so you don't miss any updates. All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you all again